Okay, so I'm going to get a close-up of this for you. And you can see our foundation, our base that we just did. 2 double crochets that look like a V, and then your chain 1, and then the single double crochet. Chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1, single double crochet. And that creates the foundation for your crocodile stitches. So I'm going to try to get a close-up of this. You're going to yarn over, go underneath that first double crochet and through the center of the 2 double crochets, that V. Yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop so you have 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and there's your first front post double crochet. Yarn over, go underneath that first double crochet in the V, through the center of the V, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop so you have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and there's your second. You're going to do that again. Yarn over, underneath that first double crochet and in through the center of the V, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that 2 more times to create the first half of our crocodile stitch. And then when you're done with that first 5, you chain 1, turn your work sideways, and you can see that second double crochet. You're going to yarn over, go underneath it and through that center of the V again, but you're on the other side. Pull up a loop so you have 3, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. We'll do that again. Yarn over, go underneath and through the center of that V of the 2 double crochets, yarn over and pull up a loop so you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and there's your second front post double crochet, yarn over, through the center of the V, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go in the center of that V, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do that 1 more time, and then slip stitch into that single double crochet next to it. And there's your crocodile stitch. So now we've gotten to the end of our row of all the crocodile stitches, and at the end I slip stitch into, there's a little loop right here next to the crocodile stitch. I go in that loop, and I also go into the loop at the top of this double crochet stitch right here, this single double crochet underneath. So I just go through those 2, yarn over, pull through, and then just slip stitch, and you're done with the row. And now, because I'm only doing 1 row of each color change, I'm actually just going to cut it, tie it off, and go to the next glove and do that same color change on the top of this next glove, and then do the last color change, and I'll end up with these at the end. So that's our tutorial on the crocodile stitch. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was informative. I hope you come back for our next tutorial, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.